In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add email columns in Glide. If you're organizing users, contacts, or any data that needs email addresses, setting up a proper email column in Glide helps keep everything clean, validated, and ready for features like sign in or messaging. Let's walk through it together, step by step, so you feel confident doing this on your own. First, go to Glide. You can access it in your browser. Glide is a no-code platform that turns your data into apps, and will be working right inside its built-in data editor. Next, sign into your account. Use your usual credentials and any security steps you've set up. Once you're in, you'll land on the dashboard where all your projects are listed. Open the project you want to edit. Take a moment to confirm you're in the correct one, especially if you manage multiple apps. The project name and thumbnail should make it clear. Now, open the data at the top. In Glide, the Data tab is where your app's tables live. Think of it like a spreadsheet that powers your screens and components. This is where we'll add the new column. Select the table you want to edit. Tables might be named things like users, contacts, or orders, and each one holds different sets of information. Make sure you choose the table where email addresses belong, such as a users table if you're storing sign-in details. Click plus New Column. You'll usually find this button near the top right of the columns list. This creates a brand new field in the table. Enter the name. Keep it clear and consistent. Something like email or user email works well. Good naming helps you recognize the column later when you connect it to components or filters. Now, select Email under Basic as the type. Choosing the email data type tells Glide to treat the values as email addresses. This enables smart validation, consistent formatting, and compatibility with email-related features. It helps prevent typos from being saved as valid data and keeps your table structured correctly. Finally, click Save. Your new email column will appear in the table right away. From here, you're ready to store email addresses in that column, and any related components in your app can reference it confidently. Thanks for watching this step-by-step Glide tutorial. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video, leave a comment below, and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials and walkthroughs. See you in the next video.